love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby in your absence life is morning.
Naunahan agad kita? Ang bagal mo tumakbo.
Hayop ka. Suporkat ka, walang yaka.
Ang bagal mo naman tumakbo.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by.
How was it?
It's hot.
It's hot and humid. So uuwi na tayo. Ayoko na. Naiiyak na ako. Ang init. Parang hinahabol ko na yung hininga ko sa sobrang init. Tapos diba, naka-full ano pa ako. Oh.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Good morning, everyone. My body, it's really hurt.
Work for more. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung pagtatrabaho, nakakasira ng ano yan.
Bakla. Ano ba? Abos-abusan pa ako dyan.
Ano na?
Madugis pa ako dyan.
Dami mo pang muta.
Grabe ka naman, wala ka. Papaspaghetti daw. Pizza na yarn. Pipicturean niya yung gagawin niya.
Good morning.
Grabe naman. Malamang, sumuti mo ba naman lahat ng sining nila? Malamang. Hindi lang ang salamat ko.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa West Zone and bibili kami ng Filipino food na lulutuin namin for tomorrow.
May kasama ng dessert to, ha?
And dessert. Gusto nilang gumawa ng coffee jelly and munggo with fried fish. So Ayan, bibili pala ako ng rice para ayan, pwede kong ibigay sa kanila as my ambag.
I saw you once, that's when you caught my eye. But I saw someone, it didn't feel right. I waited for you, thought I was sure. When you came around, I thought I wanted more. How many times do you wanna play around? How many times do I have to call you out? I kept on waiting for you patiently, when all you ever did was lie to me. I've wasted so much time on you and you never feel the same way. I wish it could have been mine, but oh, in the end it'll all be okay. I know I'm always chasing what I can have. I've wasted so much time.
There it is. Looks yummy, you guys. It's so hot. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What? Where are you going? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ay, nagtampo ang baby namin. Come here, I'll give you the camera. Come here. I'll give you the camera. So, are you gonna vlog? Okay. Okay, mag-vlog ikaw. Here.
Mercy. Na?
Ito niya dadalhin ang camera. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to my camera? Do you want to go swim later? Do you want to go swim later? Swim! Okay, finish your food muna. All done like this. All done. Or more? Do you want more lugaw? What do you want? What? Yay! Oh, come on. How old are you? 1. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Oo, tinuruan pa ako. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! Yay! Peek-a-boo! 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 Your turn. A's turn. A's turn. Aiden's turn. Peek-a-boo! Peek-a-boo! Okay. 1. Okay. Count. Mommy. Mama. Say mama. Mama. You want to say mama or daddy? Dada. You say dada? Wow! Do you want to swim? Wow! Are you excited to swim? Wow! Huh. Is that Aiden? Do you want to go swimming later? Swimming? Do you want swimming? Do you want swimming? Swimming? Tell them. Do you want swimming? Hey, camera! Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Okay. Come here. Come here. Aiden. Bye. Come here. Ala, uy. Pag nagsabi kang babay sa kanya talaga, kukunin niya talaga yung sapato, yung slippers niya. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na. Kinuha niya na ang sapatos niya. What are you doing? Ay! Ay! What are you doing, little boy? little boy? Bochog, bochog. Ayun. Show them. What are you having? Sleeper. Ay, oh. Yeah. Oh, give ate kiss. Come on. Give ate kiss. Ay, pinapahawak niya sa akin ang kanyang shoes. Okay. Say hi, guys. Look at my shoes. Okay. Knock the door. Knock. Say knock. Knock. Come on. Oopsie. What is that face? Give them a kiss. Give them kiss. Aiden, give them kiss. Ayan na. Nakafocus na siya sa chanelas niya. Akala niya talaga aalis kami. Okay. Wow, naman. We'll go swimming when ate comes back, yeah? Yeah? What's that? Shoes. Okay, I'll just touch it. Ay, nagwala na siya. Wow! Bochog! Bochog! That's dirty. Ay! Sorry! Oh, give ate love. Give ate love. Come on. Give ate love. Okay. Love first. Love. Give ate love. Okay. Oh. Shush. Shoe. Ay, no.
Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand.
Kita ko ng bigote ko.
Lily. Say hi.